Hey everybody, this is Craig the Natural Medic, and I was going to give you a quick overview of a medical kit that I carry in my pack a lot of the time on outdoor adventures. All right. Well, I'll just say I'm not giving you medical advice, even though I am a paramedic. I've been a paramedic for a while now, and I'm wilderness trained as well. Regarding first aid kits, though, I believe you should always take a first aid kit into the wild, and this one is probably a good basic kit for most people's needs. Most of us are going out day hiking or mountain biking or paddling on our kayak or canoe, or we're going camping for the weekend. And this is designed, as you see on the deal here, 1 to 2 people for 1 to 2 days. So it's probably got the right amount of stuff for the average person or 2 persons for a weekend trip or a couple day trip. Let's see what's inside of it. It was sealed up. Been carrying it for a long time. Never really had to use it. But I wanted to show you what's in here so you can kind of see what is in here and see if this kit is right for you. It is considered watertight because it's inside of this Ziploc bag. It is sealed up. It's kind of a Ziploc. And let's see what comes out of here. So we have some tweezers. Looks like pretty high quality tweezers that are pretty nice. Good for picking things out of the skin, such as maybe insect barbs or a splinter, or if you live in my part of the world, the desert Southwest, things that can poke you. With that in mind, there are antiseptic towelettes in there. Several of those. It's like about 6. You have a couple of packets of this first aid cream, antibiotic cream, just some basic antiseptic skin wipes. Got several of those. You've got some afterbite, which is really nice. You get stung by an insect like a wasp or something like that. That can help cool that sensation down. Regular old alcohol preps. And a variety of bandages. You have these knuckle bandages. These are really handy. It's kind of hard to see them through the packaging, but if you had something that was needing stitches, and you were out there in the wilds, this could probably close the wound up, at least temporarily. Here's more knuckle bandages. You've got a sheet of moleskin right there. Some of it is pre-cut, and some of it is just regular for hot spots and blisters. More knuckle bandages, ibuprofen, aspirin, different sizes of sterile pads, gauze pads. 3x4 is the biggest one. And you have a couple of 3x3s and then a couple of 2x2s. That's pretty handy. You got some tape, so you can tape that little gauze on there. Regular old Band-Aids right there. Now you got some roller gauze. More of the skin wipes. Then you have 3 safety pins. Safety pins, pretty good size ones for digging out a splinter or an insect stinger or something like that. More aspirin and Tylenol, Hydramine, which is Benadryl. A couple packets of that, antiseptic cream, first aid cream. And that's pretty much it. Here is that one last safety pin. Could you take care of yourself with this basic kit? Yes. Yes, you could. Now, the important thing is, do you know how to use it? The first step probably be purchasing said kit. And the second step would be getting some training, which is not going to be covered in this video. But I think this one meets the mark. I give it a thumbs up. I think if you need a little basic kit for a 1 to 2 day adventures for you and a couple of people, this one will probably fit the bill. This first aid kit is a basic, easy setup. And the reason I like it because it's pretty easily obtainable at most outdoor stores, Amazon. I'll definitely put a link in the description below, linking to Amazon so you can check it out for yourself. So what do you think? Would you carry this kit yourself? If so, leave me a comment below. If you'd like to see a more in-depth, personally crafted first aid kit, I'm going to make the video probably anyway, but checking interest on here. If you'd like to see me make from a paramedic that's wilderness trained standpoint, personalized first aid kit, let me know and we'll get that out onto the channel as soon as we can. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing to the channel so you don't miss further content. Till next time, be safe out there and I'll see you on the trail. Okay, bye.